Patient registration profile. Patient registration for the myHEALTHPlan project starts at the clinic. Once the patient agrees to participate, the first part of the registration is initiated by the clinic staff. Go to Profile. First, check that the patient's email has been entered. This is under Alter Patient. Then, open Patient Record and click on the myHEALTHPlan icon. Click Copy to Clipboard and open MHP Provider on the myHEALTHPlan window. A browser window will open to the provider login page. Please log in. The registration information will be transported to the patient registration page on the provider web portal. Print the screen or manually write down the unique ID and clinic key for the patient. Check the printed box and then click Request Registration to send the registration email to the patient. Give the unique ID and clinic key to the patient to continue the registration process at home along with the myHEALTHPlan patient guide. Patient registration, myHEALTHPlan web portal. The patient should have the following after the first part of the registration at the clinic: a patient user guide booklet, a unique ID code, a clinic key code, and a registration email. At home, the patient will click on the link in the email and complete the registration. If the patient needs any assistance, please direct the patient to the myHEALTHPlan support desk at 604-306-5821 or email myhealthplan@fraserhealth.ca. Manage pending registrations. To manage your pending registrations, go to Registration Requests on the navigation menu on the left of the screen. Here you will be able to view a list of your patients that you have registered but who have not yet completed their part of the self-registration. On this screen you can view the patient's unique ID code and clinic key code that they require to complete the self-registration. You can resend the registration email to the patient and remove the patient's registration from myHEALTHPlan. If a patient has not received the registration email, you may send a reminder email to them. This reminder email contains the link for the patient to complete self-registration. You should first confirm the patient's email that you have in profile is correct. Then click on the Send Email button next to the correct patient. If a patient no longer wishes to participate in myHEALTHPlan prior to self-registration, you can simply remove their registration by clicking on the Remove button next to that patient. Manage registered patients. To view a list of all of your practice's registered patients, go to Registered Patients on the navigation menu on the left of the screen. Click Show to see a complete list of patients with the default options, or change the options to see a filtered list of patients. To select a patient, click on their name. Then use the navigation menu on the left of the screen to see specific information on that patient.